Hey guys, today I will show you how to do jailbreak programming in Scratch. The other video, I don't get any likes because of my voice, so that's the reason. This is just a tutorial. Well, go to this link, I'll put it in the description. Then, once you do, click on the create button. If you're on Raspberry Pi, click on the Raspberry button. Click on programming and click on the Scratch. To show you how to do that. So when you're in the screen, I'm going to show you how to do it. Yeah. So click on this hate button. We're gonna do the cat. Then you have to create a sprite. See about that. Then different Raspberry Pi game. Click on that. Choose new sprite from file. Then click on the data. Events. Click on when space keys pressed. You don't know what sprite is? Sprites are characters that can program. Sometimes you will want to program them to move and be controlled by the user. And other times you might just want to give them their own instruction. Always make sure you have clicked on the sprite that you want to program before you start the script, guys. Then change this when space keys pressed to up arrow. Change Y by 10. And when we press the up button, it goes up. You see that? Then click on the event button. Then when space keys pressed, change that to down arrow. When left motion, change Y by minus 10. Then when left, you do not have to go to this link if you're in Raspberry Pi, but if you're in your computer, if you're in Raspberry Pi Linux. Raspberry Pis are made up by, it's a Linux operating system, Raspbian. If you don't have this, go to this link. raspberry.org. Go to this link, click on the downloads, then click on Raspberry here. Click on download zip. Make sure you have SD card formatter, then you can and Win32 disk imager, then you can burn it into a SD card. Make sure to make sure you don't need that, but make sure to extract the zip file. To extract it, then if you're on Windows, right click. I will show you in the next video. Okay, then when left arrow key is pressed, the left arrow key, then motion, change X by -10. Make sure you always put -10 to -10 to work. You see it? It's like a game. Dude, when right arrow is pressed, then change X by 10. Then if you do a right arrow, left arrow, up arrow, and down, you see this? Anyway, when this green flag is clicked, go to change this change this 100 number to 200, then change it to 140. Let's test this out. You see, it's now in the first action. Now if it's too big, you click on this button. Shrink it. Here is the robber. It's kept in prison. Make sure you then you need to draw the walls of your jail. Make sure there's enough space between the walls so that your robber can move around without touching them. Click on the stage, backdrops, done. If you Raspberry Pi, if you click on the edit button, then the frame editor will open. If you're in the scratchmit.edu is scratch. If you're in this website, then click on the stage backdrops. Then click on the line button. Anyway, if it's too small, this is gonna make this line Then so that anyway. Then it's the door. So click on the rectangle button. Then when the rectangle click on the red button. Then click on this pink button. Then color the rectangle. Don't color the whole thing. That's done. Oh, sorry. Anyway, how to fix this. Sorry about that, but I made it as a mistake. Okay, I'm gonna really quickly. Today